Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to your class. Okay. In last classes, we have discussed about the exponents, laws of exponents, and some examples. Okay. Now we are going to proceed and discuss about the exercise first A. Problems related to laws of exponent and prime factorization. First question yesterday we have discussed. Okay, I hope all of you trying to solve this question. Okay, so please complete. Okay, and send to their respective teachers. Okay. Now today we will discuss question number 2. We will start from question number 2. See, find the value of each of the following. Okay. So here there are 12 questions in second question. So we will discuss 2 or 3. Okay. So first we will discuss second fourth question. Second fourth minus 3 to the power 4. Find the value of minus 3 to the power 4. So in the rule we have discussed, if any negative number having even power, then its value is always positive. Okay. So here see, this is negative number, its power is even. यहाँ पे क्या है? Negative number, इसका power क्या है? Even. So its value always becomes positive. So you can write this 3 to the power 4. 3 to the power 4. So here you can spend 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So what we will get? 3 3 are 9, 3 are 21, 3 are 81. Okay, this is the answer. Here use this concept. If any negative number having power even, then its value always positive. Okay, here either you can solve this one directly by this. If you apply minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3, so again you will get the same answer. Minus into minus plus, then again minus minus, then again into minus plus. And 3 3 are 9, 3 are 27, 3 are 81. Okay. So either you will apply the rule, either you can solve by this product rule. Okay. Clear? Now, next question we will discuss here. 7. Question is given 5 to the power 0 and 6 to the power 2. So again I told you, if any number having power 0, so its value is always equal to 1. If any number, that is A, having power 0, its value is always equal to 1. Use this concept here. Okay. So here students, 5 to the power 0, its value becomes 1. It will become 1. And 6 to the power 2, it means 6 into 6. So you can write this 1 by 36. 1 by 36. Okay? Clear? Now proceed to the next question. Here some more given. Next we discuss about the next question. Next of the same second question. Which one? Ninth part. Minus 1 by 6 to the power 3. Again use the same rule. If any number, negative number having odd power, its value is always negative. Always negative. अगर कोई negative number है, चाहे वो fraction हो, either natural number हो या even या odd कोई number हो, okay? Either natural number. If it's negative, it is negative and having odd power, then its value always negative. So here minus 1 by 6 to the power 3. So you can write this 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 6. Okay? Multiply all three terms. So you will get 6 into 6 into 6, 6 into 6 into 6. So what you can answer? 6 6 is 36, 36 is 216. So, So the answer will be minus 1 by 216. Clear students? Now we proceed to next question. 10th. Question number 10 of the second 10th part. What is given? 1 whole 3 by 5 to the power 4. So here it is given what? This is given mixed fraction form. So first we will convert this in what? This is convert. First we will convert this in simplest form. Either you can say that this is first multiply by 5 into 1, then plus 3. Clear? Okay. So convert this in simplest form. 5 1 5 plus 3. 8 by 5 to the power 4. 8 by 5 to the power 4. Okay. Then solve this one. 8 1 8 into 8 into 8. 4 times. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 4 times. Okay. Clear? Multiply this. You will get the answer. What? Here 8 8 ja 64 64 8 ja multiply here 64 8 ja again 8 4 ja 32 3 carry 8 6 ja 48 48 plus 3 51. Okay, then again multiply by 8 one more times. So 8 2 ja 16 1 carry 8 1 ja 8 plus 1 9 8 5 ja 40 4096 upon 5 5 ja 25 5 ja 125 5 ja 125 5 ja 5 5 ja 35 2 carry 5 ja 10 plus 2 12 1 carry 5 ja 5 plus 1 6 625. Okay, clear? Again you can check this one. 8 8 ja 64 64 8 ja 512. This one clear? Okay, and 512 8 ja 4096. Okay, clear? You can write this again in mixed fraction form. Okay, in broad form, and you can write this in mixed fraction form. Mixed fraction form you can write what? 6 whole 346 by 625. 625. Okay, students? Clear? One more question we will discuss last 12 of this part. One more question we will discuss 12th part. What is given? Minus 2.1 to the power 2. Minus 2.1 to the power 2. So again first we will apply the rule, but if any negative number having even power, if any negative number having even power, then its value is always positive. Value is always positive. Okay, अगर कोई नेगेटिव नंबर है और उसका पावर क्या है? इवन है, तो उसकी वैल्यू क्या होगी? हमेशा पॉजिटिव. क्लियर? सो इट बिकम्स व्हाट? 2.1 to the power 2. So 2.1 into 2.1, multiply this. Okay, you'll get the answer what? 4.41. 4.41. Clear? Okay. One more question we'll discuss, students. Third one. Okay, this is the best part of this second question. You will try to solve. Any doubt you can ask your respective teachers. Okay. So third question given what? Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blank. Clear? What is given? 2 power not given. Here dash given. Here 64. First. So how we can fill this power? So here right side is given 64. So first we can factorize this 64 into its prime factor. Prime factor. So here factorize this one. 64. Start from 2. Okay. 2 3 ja 6. 2 ja 4. Then 2 1 ja 2. 2 6 ja 12. 2 8 ja 16. 2 4 ja 8. 2 2 ja 4. And 2 1 ja 2. So 2 2 ja 4. 2 ja 8. 2 ja 16. 2 ja 32. 2 ja 64. How many times? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 times. Okay. So you can write this 2 to power dash. Here you can write this 2 to power 6. So compare both sides. Compare both sides. You will get this value. What? This value is 6. So answer is 6. Here. So you can fill here 6. Okay, students. Same you can solve. It's some other questions. Okay, that is given in number form. First you factorize its prime factorization, then find out their power value. One more question is given, fourth one. One more part I will discuss. Fourth one. Here 125 given. Here dash only power given, base not given. So again you can factorize this 125 into its prime factor. So here factorize 125. Start from 5. 5 is a 10. 5 5 is a 25. 5 5 is a 25. 5 1 is a. Okay. So here you can write 5 to the power 3 and here dash to the power 3. So compare both sides. What we will get? The base will be 5. Base will be 5. So here the value is what? 5. So answer you write 5. Here answer you write 5. Okay, students. So try to solve. Okay, and you will solve question number 2 and 3. This is your homework. Okay, our exercise 5. Thank you, students.